Welcome to Parsimony, your comprehensive solution for efficient business management. In this video, we will guide you through the stock function and show you how to create an item manufacturer step by step. To begin, navigate to the stock module by clicking on the stock icon on the dashboard. Here, you can manage your inventory efficiently by creating and tracking items, item groups, and item manufacturers. Let's focus on creating an item manufacturer. Click on the Item Manufacturer option to proceed. This will take you to the Item Manufacturer list page. Click on the Add Item Manufacturer button to create a new one. Next, you will see a form where you can enter the details of the manufacturer. Fill in the item code, manufacturer name, and manufacturer part number. Once you have entered the required information, click on the Save button to save the manufacturer details. Congratulations! You have successfully created an item manufacturer in Parsimony. Managing your inventory and suppliers has never been easier with Parsimony. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to make the most of this powerful tool for your business. Thank you for watching. For any further assistance or inquiries, feel free to reach out to our support team.